I'm going to show you how to install the SetUp ink cartridges with this printer. So let's start with that. The next step is to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So you have to place your hands here both sides and lift the whole chamber until it stands itself. And you will see the ink cartridge chamber is in the middle here. So color cartridge will go here and black will go here. There are alphabets written here. So simply open these. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Now take the ink cartridges out. Make sure you remove the orange seal which is at the bottom. Now place the black ink cartridge here. Simply place it here, it will slide in. Now press this. Place it here and it will go itself. If not, just press it a little bit. Press the lock and the ink cartridge will lock here. To close the ink cartridge chamber door, simply lift it up and let it go. And you will see the ink cartridges are installed. Just go to the display panel to see for further instructions. It says the following ink cartridges have been installed. Thanks for watching.